Barney. All right. Yeah. Okay.
Yes. This is going to be a fun one. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another fun episode of Drinks with the Dyers. Just made that up on the spot right now. We've had a video with Mother, which you can see up there, and we've had a video with Father, which you can see down there. So, left, my sister!
Yay!
This is Jamie Dyer, and Jamie...
Hello!
Yes, you can talk.
I have to talk into the microphone.
Jamie is going to make a...
non-alcoholic delicious thing.
We thought we'd show you a mocktail.
Alternative.
Starting off with, I'll talk you through it.
Where's this
So
one?
you need a glass to start
I
with.
want a serviette. Dad had a serviette. There you go.
There you go.
Ice in this snazzy little ice bucket. This could take a while.
Very good. Right, do you got some moves with this?
There you go.
Whack the ginger into the cocktail.
My hands are washed to within an inch of their life right now.
A little bit of sage.
No, they're nice and fluffy. 6 decent sized sage leaves. Give them a little stroke because they feel nice.
You need a little bit of sugar syrup, probably
10
enough.
mils.
10 mils.
Okay.
We're just getting started. So now you need to muddle up the ginger because we want to release
Oh, we do that now.
the ginger flavours. There you go. If you don't have a table leg like we've got to muddle up your ginger, then you can use a rolling pin or just anything with a flat end on it.
Or an actual muddler.
Now you can put in your lemon juice using your...
Mexican elbow / Tom Dyer Super Deluxe Squeezer.
Perfect.
Another one.
That's it. If you don't...
This is good because it's got vitamin C in, which is going to help your immune system to fight the Rona.
How many dashes of bitters do you want to put
DOS dashes. 1, 2.
We're going to do something a little bit against what you should normally do here, is shake tonic water. That'll do. Put some ice in there. So now you want to give it a good strong shake.
Yep.
Right, go for it.
I'm not very good at
I feel like I need to. There you go. So take off the silver toppy bit, and you want to strain all that lovely goodness into there. You might need to wiggle it and shake it and... Huh?
Smells delightful.
Smells good. Now you're just topping it up with tonic. That's it.
There we are.
Ooh, and it's created
Lovely
this
jubbly.
lovely two-tone effect. So you've got a couple of sage leaves here.
Let's actually tuck it in there. Like that.
Carefully, doesn't it?
No, it's fine. I like stars. Let's have a star.
Do you want a cocktail umbrella?
Faker. Yeah, I want this one because it's rainbow. Oh, hang on. This one's got a problem. It doesn't stay up. That's what she said.
Anything else you want to fit in the glass there?
Yeah, see, it looks a lot more exciting than what it is now.
it looks like the 1980s just threw up into your drink, basically. But it looks good. I'm quite excited to try it.
Okay, are we trying it? Is that what's happening?
Well, that's normally what you do when you make a drink.
That is yummy.
Is that delicious?
That is yummy. Refreshing. It's like a summer's day in a glass.
Oh, that is good.
It's really good.
It's all right, now you need to come up with a name.
Fight the Rona. Ginger, it's got the lemon, it's got some sage. I don't know what that does for you, but ginger and lemon is good.
If sage does something good for you, whack that down into the comments box below and let us know what sage does.
And then all of these things just make it happy.
Exactly. A little bit of happiness and laughter helps the immune system boost with the lemon. Compass it together, and you've got Fight the Rona.
Fight
The Rona. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. That's it. And you can subscribe, hitting the little subscribe button down below, and click the little bell.
Ding.
There you go. Because you'll be notified every time I upload more amazingly cool, super awesome videos, just like this one. So you can be the first person to go down there and send the comment.
The best one,
this one is probably the best one. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this video.
Thank you very much, everybody.
Till next time, say goodbye, Jamie.
Bye, Jamie.
Fantastic. Well played. J Dizzle, do you want to do that again?
What are we doing?
It up, clearly. Let's move on. Two lemons. Squirt those bad boys in there.